Tired of cleaning up food and drink spills after last night's sleepover? Or the grubby footprints from the kids' soccer practice all over your new living room rug? Oh, and let's not forget about that embarrassing red wine incident with the girls this weekend, forever emblazoned across your favourite white shirt. It would be wonderful to be able to avoid all of those little household accidents. If only you could find a natural fume-free cleaning solution that was powerful enough to tackle all of life's little mishaps. The Nature Direct Carpet Upholstery and Pre-Wash Cleaner is just that. The powerful yet gentle on skin concentrated formula cuts through stubborn stains on carpets, rugs and upholstery around your home or in the car. Remove grease, wine and food spills, grass smears and pet dander with absolute ease. The Nature Direct Carpet Upholstery and Pre-Wash Cleaner's multi-purpose cleaning action also makes it ideal for use as a sensitive skin pre-wash stain remover. It's as simple as spraying a little onto the stain, working it in gently with the Nature Direct all-purpose cloth and popping it straight in with the rest of your wash. Free from harsh chemical additives, preservatives and dyes, the Nature Direct Carpet Upholstery and Pre-Wash Cleaner is 100% safe for the environment as it's 99% biodegradable in just 7 days. And because it's a concentrate, you use less. Only 25 ml diluted in water is all you need, meaning it's super cost effective too. Make your household items clean again with the Nature Direct Carpet Upholstery and Pre-Wash Cleaner. Nature Direct makes clean living easy.